Okay, flashes appearing on your screens and fresh from the Supreme Court. The Apex Court allows reopening, recasting of the IL&FS books for the past 5 years. This plea, remember, was filed by the Corporate Affairs Ministry and IL&FS, which sought reopening of the account books. Abhimanyu Sharma joins us now with more. Abhimanyu, what has the Supreme Court observed?
Well, the Supreme Court has upheld NCLT Mumbai order, by which means the reopening and recasting of IL&FS accounts has been allowed for the past 5 years. Earlier, the Apex Court had observed that it was a matter of public importance. It had also asked SFIO to put the final report on record. The Supreme Court had held that the interim report was already submitted. The centre had claimed that people were running away with public money and the exposure was over 91,000 crores. Hence, the probe by SFIO should not have been allowed to suffer. The Apex Court on the 29th of April, while hearing a plea filed by a former director of IL&FS, Harishankaran, had stayed the reopening of accounts, which was allowed by NCLT Mumbai and upheld by NCLAT, after which the plea was filed in the Supreme Court by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and IL&FS, the new board, who had sought that the investigation by SFIO should not be allowed to suffer, and hence, in a relief which has been given to the Union government today, the Apex Court has allowed reopening of accounts, which practically means that SFIO's probe will get a big boost, since it will have access to the account books of the past 5 years, which will aid SFIO in identifying what was the source of the alleged fraud and hence getting to the depth of the situation.
All right, Abhimanyu, thank you then for joining in with that quick update. Well,